Welcome to the info of Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast and correct. We can unlock the device just in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock feature. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll just wear them and we'll see does this feature work with the glasses. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works also correct with the glasses. You just can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than passcode or PIN code unlock methods. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.